So, just got another bus call. We're gonna finna ride up. A little tag along here. You guys join along. Alright. This is the big stuff. What's going on, Keith? Shifts like butter.
Yeah, she's a fighter though too. Kick in right away. She might want to go into the low gears, but
right. So is this like how many speeds is this?
This is 13 speed.
13 speed.
So you got all your low range gears: first, second, third, fourth, fifth, sixth, and then it splits up, and you go through them all again. So you got all those 5, but then there's a second splitter on the side of the gear here that sets it into its actual high range.
Oh, so it's like just like a semi, really.
It is a semi.
Oh, literally, yeah. Nice buses. What you up to? It's that Ramos money, throwing it around. Some nice change you got going here. Oh, some brand new change, man. So it looks like they're bringing the bus around right now. You know what happened to this one?
It's in D-rate, so I won't let them go fast, basically.
Oh, it's like the safety mode or...
D-rate is a diesel exhaust issue, usually.
Oh shit.
So usually we try to stay as lined up center-wise as possible. It's gonna make the load go down the road a lot easier. Alright, so fun part.
Oh boy.
Justin.
Oh, you got that side over there?
Yeah. So they're off center just a little bit. Right there.
Yep.
The bag isn't fully extended out. Now what you're hearing is the airbags are letting air out to compensate for the extension of the axle.
Huh.
What we'll do with these is we'll go up and over the frame like that. Pull through. And then this end of the chain has just a loop in it. Send the chain back through that loop. Going down the road, this thing isn't sliding forward and back every time we hit the brakes.
Yeah, it probably wouldn't be good for it to fall off.
Yeah, well, it won't fall off, but it'll move back and forth, and we can damage some things when it does that.
push it goes.
Through, scoop forward. Alright, feed it into that hole. Pull that through. That's the time if you just let it go and feed itself.
Oh.
We'll just up till right there. So that's gonna bite onto the frame. We'll take the extra. So what this is gonna do is, when I tighten this down, it's gonna make that chain bite onto the frame more. It's also gonna give it something to stop on when I go to take off. Creates that tension, makes it a real solid load that way. Gives it
Security.
yeah. This thing needs to be moved out. Alright. And I always do it anyways. When I turn the head, these doors are kind of weird. They're power based, they're air based. See how they,
Yeah, they force themselves back open there.
so you have to put them into emergency mode. There's a switch right up here. See it? There's a switch up there. It says normal and emergency. Emergency allows you to do that.
You lock it shut.
I don't have to worry about it, but I do. These bus doors in the back here, they never lock. Sometimes they rarely get open, so the repaint is there.
Just get seized shut. Oh.
And that's how you get out. And make sure the door stays shut. Just a second.
And about soon to be.
About soon to be. Just one more step and we're on our way. This is the light bar, it's the tow-mate. This is what tells everybody I'm turning and shit.
Go figure.
Even though all those hazards are on, all that does is signify that we've got a disabled vehicle. It doesn't let anybody know that it's being towed.